Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn a theorem from the chapter Triangles. The name of the theorem is Basic Proportionality Theorem, and it is also called Thales theorem. Thales was a Greek mathematician, astronomer and pre-Socratic philosopher. He was one of the 7 sages of Greece. Look at the triangle ABC. Let me draw a line DE parallel to BC. Now, this intersects the sides AB and AC and D and E. Now, do you think there is any relation between the sides of the triangle? Yes, there in fact, the relation is AD by DB is equals to AE by EC. Now, if I have to say in words, if a line is drawn parallel to the one side of the triangle, to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. It is a very important theorem of triangles. As I told, it is given by Thales. And you know what is known as the basic proportionality theorem. Let us not just sit with the theorem. It's important. If you want to understand it well, then we'll get down to the proof. So here it is. Now what do we do first? Obviously, a few construction join BE and CD. That is simple construction. Now we need to draw a two perpendiculars there, DM perpendicular to AC and EN perpendicular to AB. Now we are going to use the concept of area. What is the area of triangle ADE? To know the basic formula, write half into base into altitude. So far ADE, look at the figure. Half into AD into altitude is EN. That is perpendicular that we draw. And the area of triangle BDE, that is half into DB into EN. Because EN is the altitude. Now area of the triangle ADE, that is half into AE into DM, and the area of triangle DEC is half into EC into DM. So we got these 4 equations. Let us divide equation 1 by equation 2. What do we get? Area of triangle ADE by area of triangle BDE is this. Here half and EN get cancelled. So we have AD by DB. We do exactly same with the remaining 2 equations. Divide 3 by 4. And what do we get? Area of triangle ADE by area of triangle DEC is AE by EC. Now we get the figure. Do you see triangle BDE and triangle DEC? They are on the same base, and that is DE, and they are also between the same parallel BC and DE. Same base between the same parallel areas have to be equal. So area of the triangle BDE is equal to area of triangle DEC. Now from our equation 5, 6 and 7, what do we get? AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. And that's exactly what the basic proportionality theorem says. Hence proved.